coming to supply chains. Okay. Very simple. First, if you have not done and if you are reluctant to it, move to pull system. I will make for consumption. I will make after something is consumed. That will avoid any extra production. That will save on cash. They will reduce work in process, and they will avoid that you wanted something and something else has been made. Move to small lots. Okay, lot of discussions are happening around the world on minimum order quantity and many things. But end of the day, when you are in this trouble, okay, the most important answer is to conserve cash, and the best way to do it is small lots and pull system. Very critical that you have good communication between your channel partners on one side, who are your customers, and suppliers on the other side. Now, based on what is your business, whether you are OEM, tier 1, tier 2, the next process and the next partner and the previous partner will change. But I'm just saying, connect with both the partners, share openly. It's not only email to email, that what is reality, what is making sense and what is not making sense. That will, I think, develop a strong trust as well as save on many things. Clear visibility of material using technology and otherwise. From raw material stage, sometimes value chain are very, very long. Okay. If you have very clear feel what is lying there, okay, then you can really find answers which are optimum. Use technology, but technology may, I mean, if you are already not using it, it may take time. So use human intelligence to do that, but later it can be some technology. Even a simple barcodes, okay, give you huge visibility and gives you a huge help. Reset your buffer planning. These buffer plans you have done some earlier, and now the risk have changed based on location, from where your material is coming, based on location from where raw material is coming, the logistics situations, okay, the customer needs, change in orders. There will be huge shifts already taken, and try to align with reality. Keep raw material in the same form till you need to convert into the product. That will give you a chance that some of the raw material can be used for X, Y, Z parts. Most important and critical thing is make sure that quality is not compromised, because there will be many changes in terms of your SOPs, because volumes have come down, variants leading to some change in SOPs, new persons, so issue of training, supervision and all those things. Because any mistake there, okay, can take customer trust out of you. Second is that things will fail, okay, in current situation, because of what's happening around. Every day it's a new news. Containment zone changes, and logistics issues come. Governments, state governments try to align with the reality, so things will change. Okay, please do scenario planning. Assume that if something goes like this wrong, what all can go wrong, and if that goes wrong, what you will do. Don't wait for things to happen. Last thing, but very critical, it's all subjective. Okay, it's all subjective in terms of others. Okay, it's your relative positioning in as compared to others. As long as you can do a notch better than your competitors doing the same business, okay, you're safe. Okay, so it's not where you are, it's not absolute numbers, it's the relative positioning which you have to ensure. And the most important thing, whatever has happened has happened to across the world. It's the first time we have level playing ground for everything. Okay, and the pitch has changed. Okay, so still, if we are smart, if we are taking our people along, if we are working together, if we are putting all the effort, if we are using technology as an enabler wherever required, if we are learning, okay, if we are learning and correcting, we are taking actions against failure at the earliest. If something fails, to detect it at the earliest and change path is the most important. So if we are doing this, still we can be ahead of the curve. And if we are ahead of the curve, okay, it is critical to be among the winners. And if we are among the winners, even if pitch is difficult, I don't feel it differentiates.